Belly fat is one of the most stubborn areas, particularly as we age. But the good news is that we can target these core muscles that tighten this area, rev up our metabolism, and get our bodies burning fat more efficiently. If you've got 5 minutes, then I have got an excellent 5-minute standing ab workout. We are going to wake up these ab muscles with simple cardio moves that anybody can do, beginner friendly, senior friendly, any place friendly. And once again, 5 minutes. And today I am putting it to the beat of some holiday music. So you guys get excited about it, carve out some space, and let's work these abs. All right, you guys. Arms down, knees up. Now I'm going to the beat of the music. You can always do this. And as you can see, we've got Rudy's grandson joining us on set because he understands how important it is to keep moving our bodies, to stay active, you guys. Because you know why? It actually does a body good. And just because we get a little busy and hectic over the holiday, we still can carve out 5 minutes for ourselves. Coming up, 10-second break. All right, this time, knees up. With a tap, with the hands. And what you want to try and do with this one is instead of lowering the hands to meet the knee, have the knee beat the hand. See that? Let me give you a side view. This is where the challenge comes in and the activation of these core muscles. Once again, change the pace if you need to. Okay, 10-second break. Next one, we're gonna do a knee tap, knee clap. Clap, 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 clap. You got it. Change the pace. You guys. But I just feel like dancing this morning. 10-second break. All right, next one, power crunch. Ten seconds left on this one. You can do it, you guys. We're in it together. All right. Next one coming up. Elbow to knee. Let's get some oblique work in here. "20 seconds left. I know you got it in you." Excellent work, you guys. Workout complete. And I don't know about you out there, but I can tell you, for someone that has been working out for years, I felt that. Cardio, check. Heart rate up, check. Engage these major muscles, these thighs, check, check, check. And we activated these core muscles. Checks all the boxes, you guys. And we did it to the beat of some jingle bells, okay, that helped us push through this workout along with the encouragement of each other. You guys, bravo, excellent work. I want to thank you all for being here with me and Rudy's grandson today, okay, investing just a few minutes in ourselves. And remember, exercise is one part of the equation. Hydrate throughout the day and eat high protein, nutrient-rich foods that will nourish our bodies, you guys. If you need some examples, check out my description. I cook on this channel as well. Holidays can be challenging when it comes to, what can I eat? What should I not dare eat? That type of thing. I've got some healthy swaps for you out there. I've got a cauliflower mash. I've got a sweet potato that you can use instead of a candy yam or that sweet potato casserole. Phenomenal, you guys. Check them out. So you guys know what I say here? It is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. Slow things down. Enjoy this holiday. These are moments that once they're gone, you cannot get them back. So please do fill this time with beautiful, wonderful memories and connect with those that you love. As I love you, you guys, I will see you right here real soon. I will keep these videos coming so that this chapter of our lives can be the best chapter of our lives. Love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Now for that balance check. Very nice. And my heart rate is still up, but I am maintaining this balance. It's a struggle, but I'm doing it. All right, you guys, see you soon.